Python is the next language we shall learn as part of this training. You'll only learn the basics of Python language that are required for you to build your IoT projects. However, if you want to dive deep into Python programming and become an expert in it, then for all I will share is a few interesting resources at the end of this module. Python is a general-purpose language with wide variety of applications. In addition to IoT systems, Python has wide range of applications from web development, data science, and mathematical computing to desktop graphical user interface and many more. It is true general-purpose language. Python is designed to be highly readable and it uses English keywords frequently. Popular websites like YouTube and Instagram use Python. So every time Mr. Nigel posts a selfie on Instagram or tries to learn German for his next vacation on YouTube, he's making use of the Python language. Isn't that exciting? Do you wonder why Python has become such a popular language? Well, here are a few reasons. First of all, the syntax. Python is very simple and easy to understand. You do not have to be a hardcore programmer to understand the syntax as it utilizes simple English vocabulary. Also, there is a presence of the third-party modules. Python has wide range of libraries for almost everything and anything. The libraries is what makes Python true general-purpose language. And also, Python is free and open source language. You can freely use and distribute Python even for commercial use. Not only can you use and distribute software written in it, you can even make changes to the Python source code. The next reason is that it is possible to learn the basics of Python in just a day. Yes, just a day. Python syntax makes it really easy to write code even for non-programmer. However, I'm referring here only to the basics of the fundamentals or to just get started with it. To become a pro, it will take you a little more time. And the last reason is if you compare Python to a language, let's say like Java, to print a simple hello world in Java, we'll need to write a lengthy piece of code like this. On the other hand, guess how many lines of code you need to put a simple hello world to a command prompt? Just one. It is that simple. In fact, the core philosophy of the language is summarized by the document PEP20, the Zen of Python, which says, beautiful is better than ugly. Explicit is better than implicit. Simple is better than complex. Complex is better than complicated. And readability counts. We shall write our Python code on the DigitalOcean Linux VPS that you have created. Now, I believe that you must be all excited to start coding in Python. So, in the next section, we shall get started with writing the code that the snakes can understand. Just kidding. Onwards to the next section.